What it do, what it do, what it do. We back in this thing with another video. You already know who it is, Chevy Life 85. And we are in the garage. And my garage is super janky right now because y'all already know I be working on 3 cars at one time. And I try to do majority of the work myself. But before we get into this video, guys, I do want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to the channel. Make sure y'all keep hitting that like button, giving the videos some comments, and sharing the videos, man. And make sure you go ahead and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. So today, we back on the Tahoe. We working, trying to get everything together on it, trying to pass inspection. I ain't passed inspection in a whole year, so I still been doing little updates to it. I really ain't even been caring about or driving this truck, and I'm seriously still thinking about selling it. But I'm gonna do a lot of stuff to it today. Made a junkyard run, and I got some more stuff I'm about to add to it. I actually got to shoot back to the junkyard because I gotta get some more screws for it. But what we doing right now, man, and the box is messed up, but we about to install this oil catch can, Amazon #1 oil catch can. I probably had this catch can for about 6-7 months now and ain't decided to put it on. The box done sat out in the rain, got wet, but I already been working on it. I already had been working on it before I cut you on, guys, just to see where I was gonna mount it at and how it was gonna go. And the only reason why is because I did the big 3 upgrade. I did the big 3 upgrade a while ago on this truck, and where this oil catch can is supposed to mount at, I can't mount it there due to the big 3 upgrade. So it's supposed to mount right here, and I can't mount it right there because of those wires. And then I seen somebody mount it over here, but whoever mounted it over there, they had a different bracket that came with their oil catch can. So I was like, no, I ain't gonna mount it right there. Then I seen somebody mount it right there, and I was like, bro, no. All my grounds are ran literally right here. So I'm definitely not about to run it right there. So I got the idea of running it right here. So you see I did some little modifying to the bracket, and come to find out, I couldn't put it as high as I couldn't put it in the first and second hole, so I had to make another hole to drop it down. So I really didn't have to modify that bracket, so it's gonna sit right here. So let me put this screw in there and show you how it's gonna sit. All right, so what's that? You talking to Bay? Oh, I was say, where the hell your Bay at?
She asked me what this is, so I'm gonna try it. I want to see the reaction on her face.
Oh, she not gonna like that. It got quinoa in it. Oh, okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hold on. Let me come in. Let me start this video. I'll be right in there. All right. Give me about 2 minutes. Yeah, you good. I can edit that out. All right. So this where it's going to sit at. And you see I went with the blue one because of the blue thing. So it's good and tight. And this is where it's going to sit at. Now, at first I had it up high. And if you can tell with me having it up high, the dipstick hit the top of the mat. So that's what made me realize that I need to bring it lower. So it's gonna sit right there. Let me see what it do. All right, so close. Yeah, so that's gonna be perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna route my hose around this. So I done bought like 6 feet of hose, and I'm gonna route it. Well, you know what? I'm actually just buy 2 feet of hose, because I'm gonna use this one that came with it. I see a lot of people replace this hose, but bro, it ain't giving that off. It ain't giving off that much pressure that this hose need to be replaced. So I'm just gonna use this one. We're gonna put these gaskets on there, and then I'm gonna hit it with some Teflon tape to make sure it's sealed properly. So, and then I'm gonna put these clamps on there. So let me put this on there, and I'll cut you back on in a minute. All right, so oil catch can in, got the hoses ran and the clamps installed. So now, and I can still get in here. Take the can off. So boom, that's the catch can. And then, hold on. All right. Look at the inside of that. And I don't even know what that is. I guess maybe when it rained, I don't know. All right, but I'm gonna clean that out real quick. Hold on. I don't know what that is. That's some sticky stuff. Hold on, let me set you down. All right, I got it out as good as I can get it. That's as good as I'm gonna get it. All right, so now for that right there, you put some of this in there. So you just tear it off. That might be too much, but tear it off, stuff it in there, and then you put everything back together. And then I'm gonna crank it up and test the hose. So I just used the hose that came with it and bought another one. But if I need to, I go buy another hose. They come with some pretty decent instructions. So yeah, come with some pretty decent instructions. So I'm gonna just screw that back on, put it back together, and then I'll be right back. Hold on. All right, so I know it's getting dark, so I'm about to actually get ready to call it a night. So I'm gonna screw that back on, put it back together, and then I'll test it out in the morning. So I'll check back in shortly. And be careful with that stuff, man. I cut my finger. So make sure you have on gloves when you're fooling with that stuff. This stuff right here, cut my finger pulling it apart, man. So be careful. Put on gloves. I need to really start using gloves. I don't listen, but I'm gonna start using gloves. But I'm gonna put this back together. You just screw it on, screw that back on, and I'll test it out in the morning. All right, so we are finally back, guys. So the oil catch can has been in the car for about, I want to say, a month now. Everything is working out fine. Got it mounted right there. So now, and I've been driving it too. So let's see. Hold on. Let me not take that off yet. Let's check the dipstick. All right, so they got a little oil on there, if you can tell. It don't want to focus. Got a little oil on there. So let's get in here. See what we're working with. So yeah, we got some oil. This a month worth of driving, and this is the amount of oil we got. So it has been doing what it's supposed to be doing. It has been catching that oil. So this oil can did come from Amazon. Early in the video, I showed you where. Early in the video, you'll see how I mounted it right there. So this oil catch can right here. Damn, I can't even. Hold on, guys. My hand being flicked. All right. So this is Amazon, one of Amazon top rated oil catch cans. So I've had it in there for a little over a month, and it's been doing what it's supposed to be doing. So that's the plus about it. And I am about to show you which one it is. So this is the oil catch can that I got. Amazon #1 rated oil catch can. These are some of the pieces I had left over. Now with mine, I did use the hose that came with it, as well as went and bought another hose because it wasn't long enough due to me mounting it right here. So oil catch can is working properly. So I got some other upgrades coming too, man. I am behind on video, guys. Like always, I am behind on videos. But I do got some other videos coming, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the videos. Make sure you go ahead and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. On YouTube, I always say one thing that's free with YouTube is support. The only thing you got to do is click the subscribe button, watch the video, and share it by word of mouth, share it by social media. Definitely appreciate everybody who rock with your boy, who watch me. We only going up from here. I got some more upgrades coming to the Tahoe. Real soon. And like I said, I am behind on videos, so I will be playing catch up. And then I gotta start getting back out and going to like some car shows, some car meetups to get y'all some more of that car footage. I did record Texas Whip Fest, but I haven't posted the video because everybody else was posting it. So I'll probably do little drops here and there of Texas Whip Fest, but I gotta get out and get some more videos. But enough talking. Just wanted to show y'all the finished product of the oil catch can. So now I am out. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.